Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Minecraft Bedrock 2025. How to sign in on Xbox, iOS, and Android, and of course, PC. For the first one, let's talk about the Xbox console. So basically, you need to turn on your Xbox, of course, connected to the Wi-Fi. Now basically launch the game, which is the Minecraft Bedrock Edition, the newest edition of the game. If prompted, select the Microsoft account sign in. This is the key to the login on any platform. Just make sure you have a proper and active Microsoft account. Basically select sign in. Once sign in, you see your gamer tag on the top corner, and basically use the same Microsoft account to sync progress across devices. That's the key. That's the key point basically. And for iOS, open the Microsoft Minecraft Bedrock account and sign in. A window will open with the code and the link. This is the link. On another device, go to the link and enter the code. So there will be a authentication process if you're using an iOS device, an iPhone or an iPad. So log into your Microsoft account, the same one you use for Xbox. The game will confirm to sign in and refresh your account, and basically you are logged in. Now let's talk about Android. For Android, open the Microsoft Bedrock account on your Android phone or tablet. Tap sign in, and again you're gonna get this link, the remote connect. Open a browser and visit the link. This time we're gonna use a PC. Enter the code shown on your screen and basically sign in using your Android devices on that code. Now, the basic one, the most easy one, is signing using your Windows PC. Launch the game basically from the Microsoft Store. Let me just open up Microsoft Store here. So this is going to be how it looks like. So look for Java or Bedrock. As you can see, it's going to be on the bestseller. This one right here. Basically launch it with this one, of course, after buying it, okay? And that's it. You have launched it to your PC. Just sign in using, of course, your Microsoft account. And final tips, guys, cloud saves, signing in all automatic cloud saves. Multiplayer access would be going to be the Microsoft account. And Marketplace, you can access skins, texture packs, and more. In Marketplace, that's going to be inside Minecraft itself. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.